When you are finished processing your images, you will need to save them as a JPEG for this class. Photoshop no longer has JPEG as one of the default file types, so you will need to change a few settings to be able to save your images as JPEGs. With an image open in Photoshop, go up to the File menu on the top of the screen and click on Photoshop from the File menu. Scroll down to Settings and then click over on File Handling to open the dialog box. The two settings that we need to select are up here in the center. Enable Legacy Save As. We're going to click on that box and it'll give us a little warning. And we also want to make sure that it's got selected Do Not Append Copy to File Name when saving a copy. When we've selected that, click on OK. And now you should be able to go to Save As by pushing Command Shift and the letter S. And it should pop up and allow you to save as a JPEG. Navigate to where you want to save your images using the file path here. In this case, I'm going to make a new folder called Edit. Save my image in there. Make sure that JPEG is selected from the Format option in the window. And then I will click on Save. That will bring up our JPEG options. We can set this to 8 on high and baseline standard and click on OK. And now our image is saved as a JPEG.